body UV phototherapy. Let's see about the outlooking. From outside, we can see the kernel branch and the intelligent system operation screen. Well, let's try about inside. Hey, is there anyone here? Okay, I'm just kidding. And let's see about the internal. First, we can see the handle on the jaw, and this is used for the patient who is on the treatment. Maybe he has some uncomfortable, then put his hands on the handle. And there is also alarm button. If he doesn't feel comfortable, he can press it, and there is alarm voice. The doctor can hear it. So here is our inside. There are about 4 UV lamps, and each lamp come from Philips. And there is also the protective net in case the patient broke the lamp. Okay, I come inside and it's so wide, very comfortable. We also can see there are 3 fans around this machine. Now, I think if a patient is during the treatment, he or she will feel very comfortable. Okay, and we can also use this handle if we don't feel well. And this is alarm. It is very near. Oh, so let's get out. Haha. A small tips here. You can see the stick, right? And this stick is keep the door very quiet when it is closed. See? Okay, now we have learned about all the components of this machine. What about the intelligent system? Let's see about next. Okay, so this screen and this operation interface is what we will next do it. For this machine, it has UVA and UVB lamp. And we have dosage, time, mode, 2 modes. On this interface, you can see UVA time setup, UVB time setup, and also you can input entering the dose. On the bottom of this screen, you can see a wheel and the back and RTC and the lamp button. So what are these button functions? Let's see about the first, the wheel. I guess it is set up. Oh, it comes out. Yeah, it has several lathes, and each one has one function. About the first mode setup, let's try it. So it has UVA work mode and UVB work mode. Also, and each mode has time or dose setup. Now it's time. Now we come back to the main menu, and the second one, system setup. Oh, I think it is the most Euro list we can have seen. Okay, we enter in, and it has collection on and off, volume, large, medium, small, off, and encryption on and off. Okay. And back, and the third one, intensity setup. So this mode is used for input the intensity. But normally, factory has already inputted entering, so you don't need to try to rewrite it. Just go back to the above. And now the fourth one, T and D setup. So I guess you have guessed it is time and date setup, right? Date setup, you can change the date and enter in. You can also change the time. Also, okay, nothing curious. Let's go above bike. Okay. So this one is very different from other software. It is called data manage. So the meaning is very obvious. It is patient management. Let's see about it. So it has four lists. First one, search data. The second one, new patient. Third one, delete data. The fourth one, browse data. About the first one, we use it for search the patient ID record, so we can know the record, the treatment record about the patient before. And the second one, new patient, we can edit a new patient ID, and then after the first treatment, there is a record installed in this intelligent system. And the third one, delete data. If this data is useless, and you can delete it. And the fourth one, browse data. You can browse the data which any patient has. Let's see about the second one. Maybe we can just edit a new data, establish it, maybe 0002, right? Enter it. So now you can see here, it has ID 0002. It is the patient. It is used for patient record data. And we can see 1, 2, 3, 3 bombs. Very interesting, right? It is pause, and this is the start button, and this is the stop button. It's very interesting, right? And what about this one? It's very strange, right? It's weird. And what about this function? I guess you see it is like a wind blower. So yes, it is fan start function. If you put this, you press this, and the fan will start blowing. Okay, let's just press this button. You see, and this looks like a fan, right? It is working normally. And also we shut it down. Let's see about how to start the machine. First, you need to input the intensity, about the time, about the dose. So maybe some of you will ask, if I just input 1 about UVB time, so did the machine work? Yes, absolutely. The answer is correct. And you will just put your finger here and input the number, maybe 0. I'm sorry. 0, 3. Okay, then confirm it. You see, and just start it. You see, what this is alarm, foot switch open. Now you can see the reason why. So this foot is switch. What the function of it? It is for the patient. If the patient stands in this cabinet and he or she feels she's ready for the treatment, then he will put his feet on this foot switch, and then the machine can be started, or else it cannot. So we will use this. Oh, it is very heavy. Use this to put it on this foot switch, and then the machine can feel there's someone in this machine and it can start. Okay, we go back to our user interface. So let's start it again. Okay, the lamp is on. And you can see there is only one kind of UVB lamp is working on, and the other UVA is turned off. See it more clearly. Now you can see the foot, this figure. It is turned green, right? And just now it is yellow. If the treatment is going to be finished, it also has voice promote. It will advise you before 1 minute last. For this body, it also has wheel and this foot. The treatment is finished. Now please take off your goggles. Each angle, each piece of the door has a fan downside here. It is used to reduce the heat of the moon body.